Welcome to today's tutorial. We'll be covering how to clean up strings by removing HTML or XML tags using JavaScript. This is especially useful when handling content scraped from the web or user input, which is a single line and smart regular expression. You can strip unwanted tags easily. Let's see how it works with a hands-on example. HTML tags are often useful for styling or formatting, but sometimes we just want the plain context of content. In this task, we'll use a regular expression to find and remove anything between angle brackets. This way, we get clean, readable text. Let's look at the solution in JavaScript. The function strip HTML tags uses String.prototype.replace with a regular expression. The pattern matches anything that looks like a tag. The G flag ensures all instances are removed, not just the first. This makes it a clean and efficient tool for string sanitization. The regular expression works by locating anything that starts with an angle bracket and ends with the closing angle bracket. Inside that, it accepts any characters except a closing angle bracket. When matched, those tags are replaced with an empty string. This gives us a text-only version of the original content. Let's walk through a few examples, whether it's nested tags or empty tags. The regex strips them all. This works for HTML and XML tags equally well. It is a reliable solution for cleaning raw string content. This function has many useful applications, from displaying user comments without formatting to pre-processing data for language models. You can even use it for improving security by stripping potentially harmful tags. It is a powerful tool in any developer's toolkit. That wraps up our guide on removing HTML and XML tags using JavaScript. A well-crafted regular expression makes this task fast and reliable. Use it anytime you want to clean up new user input or scraped data. Happy coding! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.